I do remember right off the bat when we had the pioneers of the organization sitting together here at NSIR meeting and talking about creating our own organization. And to me, that was obviously a pivotal moment because it was the beginning. And to see it actually come into fruition and the benefits that have come to Canadian IRs across the country has been incredible.
Two of us got together and organized a lunch meeting at an SIR. You know, at the beginning, it was much more about getting people together and showing cases. Apart from the fact that it was all Canadian content, it wasn't that dissimilar to other interventional radiology meetings. But I think that what CAIR has evolved into is a little more of an advocacy group for interventional radiology, which is obviously incredibly important to us to progress the specialty.
I mean, like anything, when you start, it always starts small and you have a vision. It always takes some time and it's hard work. CAIR is exactly like that. It started from basically small roots and has now flourished into something that I think really is a gem of IR and represents some of the best and brightest anywhere.
I've been with CAIR, or CIRA, from its inception. We started off as a group of like-minded individuals who just wanted to share their experiences in IR. However, over the last 25 years, we've grown to be an incredible, large organization. And now we're including the technologists, the nurses, and not only residents and fellows, but medical students as well.
As a junior member of the CAIR organization, one of the achievements that stands out the most to me is the ongoing growth of the resident, fellow, and student section. The number of trainee members has immensely grown over the past 5 years, entirely attributed to the ongoing support of the CAIR organization with our initiatives and efforts as we continue to put on events. I'm always amazed at all of the different initiatives put on by the RFS, and I'm really excited to see this ongoing growth and support over the coming years.
Started out as a group of doctors, and now it's a more comprehensive group of doctors, nurses, MRTs, and our industry partners.
The collaboration that CAIR provides is probably the most incredible tool that any young interventional radiologist can lean upon.
CAIR's been hugely instrumental for me in my growth. I've got to meet a lot of wonderful people. 2007 was a significant year. That's when CIRA, or CAIR now, became completely independent, so that was certainly a highlight. I think additionally 2012 is worth mentioning because it took great efforts to get subspecialty recognition at the college level.
Developed the interventional radiology residency, which now standardizes how we train the future generation of IRs across the country.
It was a gradual evolution, but I think the most important thing was when CAIR started, it was just a few people, and it was the same recurring characters. And demonstrating the strength of interventional radiology across Canada now, it's a very diverse group of people, and it's not the same people every year. And I think that's really what I think I like the most about CAIR.
Is education and teaching. There's a lot of things that go on both at the CAIR conferences themselves, and there's also a lot of ancillary and other things that have sprung up. These are wonderful opportunities for teaching and learning, and you know, it's hard to get all of those things with a Canadian content without having a central organization, and CAIR does that remarkably well.
The next 25 years, I anticipate a lot of innovation, a lot of growth, and having IR be in the spotlight for great patient care in Canada.
What I would like to see is even more work towards collaborating on research, initiatives, and so on. I'm very excited that we may be embarking on a foundation. I think that will really set us up for success in the future. The ability to have a foundation to potentially provide research grants, provide funding to start some discussions with Health Canada about trials, and about how to do multi-collaborative or multi-center trials in a more efficient way. We're all a team, and that we have encouraged this and we've been promoting it, to me is what it's all about. It's an organization meant to further interventional radiology for our patients, but to do that, we do that as a team.